Have you ever witnessed the raw, terrifying beauty of our planet? Today we are taking you right to the edge, where nature unleashes its most destructive power. This is the mesmerizing sight of an active volcanic eruption. Deep beneath the Earth's crust, molten rock or magma builds up immense pressure until it forces its way to the surface. As it breaks through, it transforms into rivers of glowing lava, instantly incinerating everything in its path as it crawls down the mountain slopes. The thick plumes of smoke and toxic gases rising into the sky are a powerful reminder of the extreme energy trapped right beneath our feet. From a distance, it looks like a scene straight out of a sci-fi movie, but this is 100% real. As day turns to night, the landscape transforms into something even more surreal. The bright orange and crimson glow of the lava cuts through the darkness, moving like a fiery dragon across the barren land. It's a humbling reminder of just how small we are compared to the forces of Mother Nature. If this incredible and dangerous spectacle left you speechless, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more jaw-dropping views of our world. Please like and subscribe this channel